conduct this program, to organize this program. I thank all the speakers. They accepted the invitation to give lecture in this forum, and all the speakers that we have invited have got very rich experience in this field. I thank all the organizers, the people, those who have helped to conduct this FDP program, all the teaching faculty members, the non-teaching faculty members, and all those who are involved in the technical side. Yeah, the problem. See, the camera அப்போ problem வந்ததுன்னு சொன்னாங்க. பாருங்க இந்த மாதிரி வந்திருக்கு, இங்க பாருங்க. Ma'am, can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
Ma'am, can you hear? Sir, can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, sorry, there was some problem in the mic or something. Okay, can you hear me now?
Ma'am.
Okay, good afternoon, one and all present in this valedictory function. First of all, I would like to thank AICTE for sponsoring this program, and they have rolled out this ATL. They have rolled out in many topics, various topics, and to address the need of different disciplines. And every workshop that AICTE sponsors is for 5 days. And we had they had given us the opportunity for SRM also to conduct this program. And all the speakers, those who gave lecture in this forum have got good experience in this field. Not the bookish knowledge, but they have worked in this area. And I believe that all the participants are benefited in this workshop. And I thank our management, SRM Institute of Science and Technology, our Pro Vice Chancellor, our Dean Engineering and Technology. I thank my colleagues, my friends, non-teaching faculty members, those who have helped me in organizing this FDP. And at the least, I would like to thank all the participants for paying so much of attention in spite of your workload. And future, I think we can definitely meet your needs, and we can meet your, we can clarify your doubts further. Our connection need not be stopped here. Our connection can be for several years from now, until you put a stop full stop for your research. We are here to help you. And here in SRM University, if you get a proper permission, you can come and work here. There are experts here who can guide you in work, who can guide you, and also there are faculty members who can teach you and give you training on COMSOL softwares as well. We can access other research facilities across the departments in engineering and technology, in this Katangalathur campus. And almost we have many fabrication devices, characterization devices also in SRM Institute. And there are some institutes available, some facilities are available in Coimbatore, Bharatiyar University. The applications to use the fabrication facilities are available in their website. As well, I would like you to undergo a familiarization workshop in INUP Bombay and INUP Bangalore. Please make use of that opportunity. That will really transform your purview about the research. As well, here, if you want to spend your summer, you can come here, and also you can send your students to work with us. And of course, our phone numbers with this WhatsApp, we will retain it. This group, we will retain it for some more, maybe for 1 or 2 months also, so that we can take up your questions and we can help you out in the way you need it. With these few words, I would like to appreciate all of you for having joined and having selected such an advanced and ever-growing topic. Now, I request the participants, 1 or 2 participants, or all the participants, to speak 1 or 2 words about this workshop. And before that, I would like to we have posted that question link. You can answer the questions, and maybe we will close it at 9 o'clock in the night today. If you want more time also, you can just put it in the WhatsApp group. If you face any network problem, we will extend the time. As well, I think feedback forms you have given already. Based on the feedbacks that you have given for every session, we are going to post the attendance. And also, based on today's test, I think since it's the first, and just we have asked very basic questions. We weren't able to pick up the questions from the lectures. So we have taken away fundamental questions that you need to know in this topic. So that will not be a problem for you all to attend, I think. Maybe further you can develop um, by listening to the lectures and all. And meanwhile, give us a call, or if we put it in the WhatsApp group, for what all the lectures that you need or the presentation that you need, so that we have to ask the speakers to send it to us. Speakers have not given their PPT so far. If you are in need of anybody's PPT, we will request them to give it to you. Most probably, we are planning to post all these videos in the YouTube. In case if you want to access these videos, you can use the YouTube link that we will be posting in the WhatsApp group. As well, we need to get the permission from the speakers before we post it in the YouTube group. And almost all the speakers are very accessible to me. If you need to contact any of the speakers or need any help, technical help from the speakers, you can very well contact me. I can connect them with you. With these few words, I would like to thank once again all of you for making this FDP a great success. Thank you. I request the participants to give feedback. Maybe when you talk, you can switch on your camera. How was this? How was that? How was the FDP program? Were you able to take away anything?
Yeah. Can I say something?
Yes, ma'am, please. Lakshmi, ma'am, yes, please.
Yeah. Very good afternoon to one and all present over here. And my thanks to the organizers. Actually, something which is accessible to people who are not of this background too. Like I'm from a biological background, that is of biotechnology, and we are not directly related into, creating this lab on chips and all. But then it was always an area of very strong interest for me. And I had a curiosity to know how this happens. And in fact, all the speakers who were there, this entire 5-day session, were excellent because I found them very, very interesting since they started. We did for them. So daily I would be looking forward to have a collaborative venture even with SRM Institute and also few of the speakers who I have jotted down because I found relevance and made to my. Thank you every for this awesome event, and the experience was great.
Ma'am, could you tell me which college are you from, ma'am?
Sorry. Okay. I am Dr. Lakshmi from Technomain Salt Lake, Kolkata.
Oh,
Related to Maulana University.
great to hear from you, ma'am. We look forward for the collaboration with you, ma'am. You can very well, we can very well collaboratively work and bring out some product in films also. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yes, please. 2 more participants can give their feedback. I hope all of you all have given their feedback in the ATEL website. Yes, sir. Dr. Srinivasan, sir, please. Dr. Umesh, sir.
Good afternoon to all. I'm from Kumarguru College of Technology, Coimbatore. It was a very good FDP session. The main thing what we learned from this, the takeaway from this particular FDP is regarding MEMS, and also not only MEMS, even the other level, that is what you're saying, nanoscale also now it started working, and the people are working in India itself. And now we know who are all working and how we can collaborate with them to do our projects. That's the one thing what I took the takeaway from this. And also everyone who the experts or the resource persons, what we saw was everyone is good at their particular field. That's one added advantage for us. So whatever is required, I hope we will contact them and we'll work with them. Thank you, ma'am.
Sir, thank you. Sir, do you have a microelectronics lab in Kumaraguru College, sir?
MEMS we don't have, ma'am. We are creating it. That's the reason, one of the reasons I'm looking into.
Okay.
So
you have
we have a MEMS.
softwares, COMSOL and all?
Yeah, COMSOL we have. So that's what we are looking. What is the difference between COMSOL and IntelliSuite, so that we can have, should we have both or only COMSOL is sufficient? That's how we are
Both
looking
have
into.
different purpose. Both have different purpose, but to start with, COMSOL is enough.
Yeah, we have a COMSOL.
Yeah. Does anybody is using it?
We have trained it. Now we need to work on, because I need to work on a MEMS side.
Do you have connection with this INUP? That NP mass?
No, we don't have any of those things. We are not done. So it's a basic level. We had to start with.
Okay.
So as if we had to start a fresh lab, we had to create it.
Okay.
Yeah, because I worked earlier in 2002 when I was in Chennai. I worked on a particular project for industry. I was in industry for almost 18 years, and in the teaching, I'm almost there in 16 years. So when I was working with the industry, I worked on a particular transducer. So I'm looking that can I convert that into a MEMS?
Very good, sir.
Yeah, that's the reason I'm looking into this. So I'll surely come to SRM and I'll talk to you people, and I want to discuss
sir.
it.
Most welcome, sir.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. One more person. We will stop with that. One more person. இதை மூவ் பண்ணேன்னா அதுல Okay, then there's no one is willing to give feedback. Let us close the session, and I request you all come and switch on your camera for a second so that we can take a snapshot of all of you. Can you come switch on your camera? Is there anybody going to give feedback? Ravi Kumar sir?
No, ma'am, you can continue, ma'am.
Okay. Please switch on your camera for a minute and then you can sign out. We are going to close it with this few words, and I thank you once again. All of you come and switch on your camera. We will take a snapshot and we'll close it. Okay, thank you all, and please sign out and complete the test given to you. We will be filling up the attendance in 2-3 days. Thank you so much. I think you need not have any doubts in the test and all. I think all of you all will clear, because the questions are very fundamental questions only. All the best for the test, and thank you once again. You may sign out. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot.